There we be, Oxy. The perfect spot to see the fireworks from the Gull sails.
Don't you think it's too far and can't see up here?
Why not?
Because remember what happened the last time?
Aye, you right there, Oxy. Look high till ye fell off the deck, right into the water. Won't make that mistake.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are we supposed to do now, Oxy?
We'll think of something, Captain. We'll think of something. Hey. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, Captain?
I'm thinking the same thing that you're thinking the same thing. And that gives us an idea. Now this is more like it.
Much better view of T Woodland.
And Gull sails.